Alright, so what's good with y'all? It's another day of me fixing on a 318 Goblin. And it's not a tote next door video if I'm not going to AutoZone or O'Reilly. Like, nigga, what? Bro, I can't never not spend money in my videos, bro. It's like, I'm always spending money, bro. I'm tired of spending money. I'm going, bro. Make sure y'all watching them ads. Right now, I'm getting ready to go to AutoZone to go get my brakes so I can put on for tomorrow because it's currently raining outside. So, I will not be working on the 318 Goblin today. It's cold outside once again. We don't care. Like, I'm tired of this, bro. Why is it always cold when I want to do something, bro? Like, every time I want to do something, it's cold outside, bro. Like, I'm sick and tired of this, bro. Like, why it can't never be hot? Like, the days I don't want to work on my car is hot. The days I want to work on my car is cold. And it's raining. Like, I don't understand this, bro. Alright, y'all, so I have made it to AutoZone to spend some more of my money and to go broke. What the fuck? I might as well work at AutoZone at this point. No! I'd have been here every video. What? Well, let's go see how much money I spend on brakes. Alright, y'all, so I went to AutoZone and they ain't have the brakes. I ain't have to spend no money. But I was ashy as hell, bro. Oh, bro. I'm ashy as hell. I'm finna go to O'Reilly, see if they got the brakes. If not, I'm just have to order them and wait for them to come. So I went in the house because it was raining outside and I couldn't do nothing to my car while it was raining. But another day, the 318 Goblin is still down. I don't know when it will end, but I'll be able to drive it, hopefully soon. But I'm finna take my tire off so I can go see what kind of brakes I need. Then I'm gonna get back with y'all after I took my tire off and go into AutoZone again to see what kind of brakes I need for my car. Alright, y'all, so we have a problem. Come on now, dog. I have to go to AutoZone to go get a wheel lock. Wow, man. Well, a rim lock thing so I can take off my rim. Because when you don't have factory rims no more, you can't just use the regular lug nut.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I gotta go get a rim lock to unlock my rim, to unscrew the rims. Just tired of spending money, bro. Make sure y'all watching them ads.
1 day later.
Alright, y'all, so right now it's literally 7 o'clock in the morning. Nigga, wow. I'm up, getting ready to go fix some things on my car. Today's the big day that I get to drive the 318 Goblin. What? I'm gonna get back with y'all, so yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I finished the things that I need to finish on my car. Right now I'm getting ready to put my speakers in my car. But I've been working since 7 o'clock this morning. I've been working. Wow, man. Like, I just been putting on parts, fixing parts, and all that. And, bro, I cut my finger. I don't know if y'all can see that, bro. I cut my finger right there. Wow. Cut my finger again right here. How? So, yeah, life of working on your car. But I'm finna go get ready, go to the car wash, wash it up. So, yeah, let's get to it. It feels good to have my stuff back. Speakers on, sounding good. It feels good to be back in the 318 Goblin. We did it, man. I'm happy for myself, proud of myself. And remember, you can be whatever you want to be. You can do whatever you want to do if you keep God first and work. So I gotta wait for the insurance to get back on my car. So I'm finna hand wash my car myself because there's no point of wasting time and waiting for the insurance to get back on to wash the car. So I'm finna wash it myself. But this is what the car looks like now without a car wash. I have finished the car wash, the finished product of the 318 Goblins right now. Y'all ready? Man, I'm so happy. I did this by myself, like, I ain't get nobody help. Nothing, I did it by myself, all by myself, all hard work. But I'm gonna show y'all the finishing product. All right, here we go. Gotta do a countdown. 3, 2, 1. That's the finishing product. I hope y'all like the video. I hope I'm making y'all happy. Inspiring y'all to want to be a better person, to want to get out there and want better things for yourself. Because that's all I want. The journey is here. That's the first part of the journey. Now let's get to the second part. Hopefully the second part, I get to pop out with a new Hellcat. But that's it for the video. Make sure y'all subscribe.